today we're going to be pulling some injectors out of a Detroit and changing this oil pan because a tow truck had put its, whatever you call it, the lift or whatever, under here and damaged it, and it's been leaking out of here like crazy. So I already drained the oil out of it. So I'm going to pull the pan, check the rotating assembly, and then go up top and start pulling injectors. I know I'm a pansy. Instead of just taking that off with the other one. There was an extra pickup seat gasket. Oh, look out, Walker. I'm pushing him. There's the hole. And there's another little one right there in the corner, but you can't hardly see it. Now we're going to be removing the valve cover, rocker cover, whatever you want to call it. And I'll do my best to stay out of the way.
These are big ones.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were a big one. I think these are bigger ones.
All right, look out. I got to pull this big cover off. You can stay right there. Just watch your head and everything.
Okay, I'll stay right here.
Okay.
Try to not hit me with that.
Oh, I'll do my best.
Do not hit me.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, is that tight?
Yeah. For me.
Now you got.
Hang on. I should buy a 1/2-inch battery ratchet.
You know what this black thing is?
Yeah, the intake manifold, or the intake plenum, whatever you want to call it, intake runner. There you go.
Oh, that isn't as loose as it would be.
Thanks, buddy.
Man, this is a double block like that.
Oh, yeah. Easy for you to say, huh?
Yeah.
Ugh.
I didn't know those would move when I touched it.
Yep. Nope. So these are the cam caps, and they hold this, the camshaft, they hold it in. We don't need to remove those. We need to remove this bolt that holds the injector and remove those real tiny ones that hold the injector harness. And then we're going to pop all, see this right here, this spring, this is the injector, and these are the valves. So while we're looking in here, you're going to look for broken valve springs, or a wobbly valve spring, or a missing keeper, a broken injector spring.
Nope. Nope.
See this one, Walker? See how injector 5 wobbles back and forth? I don't think that's any good. Hang on, Walker.
Okay.
So what I'm doing is going under right here and just apply a little pressure
Okay.
and it pops the injector out. Just a wee little bit. And you're gonna look at all these O-rings.
Hey.
Quick, don't wipe it with that. You gotta keep everything clean. So that was me and my son removing injectors, and his mom helped us remove the oil pan. What'd you learn today?
To pull injectors out.
To pull injectors out.
I just said that.
I know.
Man.
But we're new to this YouTube thing. We're new to filming and recording it, and we're all getting used to it. So we're hoping to get more subscribers, more people to follow, more people to like. And I want people to get on board with not threatening us or telling us that we have no common sense or all this dumb stuff. Because we bring our kids out, we're teaching our kids stuff. We're making them do stuff hands-on instead of just handing them an iPad or giving them our phone just so they don't annoy us. They stay out of our way. I'd rather him be completely involved with everything. And I always make sure it's relatively safe. Like, I know things are dangerous, but you can't just keep a kid wrapped up in a bubble. So I hope everyone understands that, because I ain't changing it.